your room is ready.
Ta-da! First time we've had a suite.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've had a lot of junior suites, but not the sweet.
Ah.
What's your name?
My name is Aiputu.
Aiputu?
Uh-huh. And you are Mr.
Dirk.
How do
Dirk.
I call? It's a Dirk.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
They need to make your badges bigger.
For us old people.
All right, welcome on board. Welcome back.
Thank you. It's pretty cool, folks. That is the barge where the SpaceX rocket lands. That giant rocket comes down from outer space, lands on that tiny little platform. And it's actually, this is going to be when we're coming in on Monday afternoon. And this is Friday, so that is the thing that lands the rockets, it's Falcon 9 rockets. It's just crazy. Thanks for noticing that. It's amazing how small that thing is to catch such a huge rocket. That's why I would trust his computers to drive cars instead of people. And the computer will never be drunk or distracted. The fun shops are happy to deliver a little extra fun this cruise. One cruise cash, $50 to be delivered first day in stateroom. This gift is, so what do they do? Just put $50 credit on your card, or they actually bring you $50?
No.
This gift, it's a gift, okay, to be delivered. The gift is compliments of Chantel, and then you can customize it, I guess. Hashtag sugar mama life. She's my sugar mama. Though there are two of them. This one is hashtag sugar mama life. It couldn't translate the hashtag. Good.
You couldn't use symbols, yeah.
Oh, you couldn't even use symbols.
Right. Oh, here's your phone.
So you can give this as a gift to like anybody?
Yeah.
Oh. I wonder, so if you had like friends going on their first cruise, you could go online and surprise them with that gift?
Yeah.
And then give them a message like, buy condoms?
No.
No.
Yeah,
You could. AKA the right side. This area over there is actually a submarine pin. Okay, so this is the starboard side, which is the right side.
Kaleidoscope Bar, Kaleidoscope Boulevard, Camel Cove Casino. Camel is a color. They're all colors.
How could we be on this ship over the years and never notice that before?
Oh no.
But the color stuck off to me in that elevator. Maybe they were being like that.
Oh, sorry. Want to tie them up? It just keeps these two parts together. This side you have a whistle. This side you have the light. So when you go to your staterooms, double check you have the correct life jackets. If not, speak to Carnival, they can sort that for you. In case of an emergency, you want them here, deck 4, the call letter E on the master station signs, and you wait there. You can't get to the cabin in case of an emergency. To collect your life jackets, go straight here to the oyster station, and we have spare life jackets in here. Thank you.
That's fine.
Do that. So we won't have to use the elevator much at all. Unless we're drunk or lazy.
Like, if not, so that's
Where we have to go that you can't walk to.
From our room, not from here.
What floor are we going to?
9.
Oh, I thought we were going down.
I just want to see if the smoking was open. Are you out of cigarettes?
I thought we were going to go eat.
We'll have to go outside to get there. Now I realize why you're so You want to go first?
I was in my second one, and I was just, and he's looking at me. You know, they're little tits.
Half and half.
Yeah, like she was like,
That food looks beautiful in 4K.
Does it?
High definition. It's a hot day outside today. What do you got? Let's see, mac and cheese. Let's do the pork butt, and then mac and cheese, and baked beans. I went with the pork butt, which is just perfect pork butt, and Guy's honey barbecue sauce, which was good. We've not delved into the mac and cheese.
And he would make his mother laugh. And she would shit it like 4 times. She pissed and like if I hadn't done that, I got it.
More salt. So that's the second time at this terminal we've come later, and it's been pretty smooth. Although the lining up on the wall thing is just. But once you got through that, everything was really fine and getting on. And it's not like the lobby when you come in is totally packed with people trying to figure out what to do and everything. There was actually seats at the bar. We got the glass elevator.